Hi everyone, welcome to IC Market Webinars. Hi everyone. Okay, I believe you guys can hear me so far. Okay, let's just wait for a couple more minutes, alright, for you to tune in, and then we'll start the session. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about QM or Quasimodo trading strategies. Some of you guys may or may not already know these strategies. Okay, I will start like maybe 5:33, which is like just wait for another 2 more minutes. Okay, so basically these strategies is similar to if you trade SMC or ICT, actually it's like how you look at market structures is quite similar, actually the same. Okay, if you have any question, you can just sit in the question here at the chat box. Hey, hi AJ, nice to see you here. How you are doing so far? I believe like last Friday they win a lot of money from gold. Okay, so today I think I will bring you guys more to the trading view chart, and then we can see how to find the trade setup by using QM or the maybe live example as well. Okay, now I'm trying to log in to my account. Just just wait for a while. Okay, I'm not sure whether I still have the the setup for QM like yesterday. Maybe I don't have already. I think I might delete it for like yesterday. Yeah, so anyway, okay, let's just start our session right now. Hi everyone, welcome to the IC Market webinars. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about QM or Quasimodo trading strategies. If you guys know or don't know the strategy, you can let me know as well. Okay, so, I forgot to change the give me like 1 minute. Disclaimer. Okay, let me just place this here. Okay. Okay, so a disclaimer as usual. Alright, everything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own diligence before you guys trade. Okay, and I want to highlight maybe over here, which is risk warning. Trading forex and CFD may carry significant risk to your capital, and it may not suitable for all investors. Okay, so please come and join the webinars. Introducing your host today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader as well. So if you want to know our prop firm, you may just Google it, alright. And the agenda today, which is I'm going to cover, which is what is Quasimodo trading strategy and how you're going to identify QM, which is the short form for Quasimodo, okay, reversal pattern, and you know how you trade with QM and live trading example. Okay, so what is a Quasimodo or QM in Forex? So basically, QM is a chart pattern, okay, that consists of swing high and swing low that break up structure. Okay, so BOS is stand for break up structures, okay, and existing chain. Okay, so basically, what does that mean? Okay, and okay, so it is a reversal pattern that form around end of existing trend and can be bullish end of downtrend or bearish reversal at end of the uptrend. So what does that mean? Let's just go to the trading view. Okay, what does it mean for the QM? So basically, it's a reversal pattern. Example, price on uptrend, price make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and they make this low, right, which is this one. So here is break of structure, or we say shock or chain of character. Okay, you need to break this recent low here to make a new low. So basically they make a higher low, higher high, and they make a lower low, and we wait for price to come back to this zone and then continue to go down, right? So here they need to break this structure, which is a chain of character, okay, and then we wait for price to come to this area, and then you're gonna short for that level, which is over here. I want to, maybe I go quite quick, you can let me know so I can slow down. So basically, either this area that could be either you know, supply zone, okay, here could be either supply zone here, or here could be somewhere which is FVG, it stands for fair value gap, or that could be Fibonacci level, which is from your swing high here to swing low over here, and then we wait for price to come to the zone, which is like, you know, 61.8 or 78.6%. You know, fib level over here. We're gonna chart from that level, which is able to look really closely. Actually, it's QM or Quasimodo trading strategy is you know, quite similar. You know, this is quite like similar, which is maybe you can like head and shoulder, which is this is your left, okay, and head, right, head, and we wait for price to come and then create the left shoulder over here, which is, in order for us to trade, you know, the QM, you need to wait for price to break structure, which is make a new low, which is this one, okay, like here you need to wait for price to break and then create a new low, okay, wait for price to pull back over here, which is here either FVG, or there is Fibonacci level, or over here could be like supply zone, or maybe, you know, somewhere on the left here is like, you know, either like resistance level, and then you wait for price to pull back and then you short from that level. Okay, if you have any question, you can let me know as well. This is called QM for the short for the sell entry. Okay, this is how it look like. It's a you know, character is look like that, left head and right shoulder. Okay, sometimes it doesn't have to be, you know, exact the same level. It's either, it could be like here, break, go up here and go down here, right, head and left. Doesn't have to be, you know, same level. Somewhere here should have either FVG or a Fibonacci level or supply zone. Okay, this is a QM pattern, which is bearish QM, which you will, you know, occur around end of the uptrend. So basically, price make a higher high, higher low, they break this low, right, to create a CHOCH, which is chain of character. They make a new low, okay, high, lower low, and this indicate a lower high, and then continue to go down trend. Okay, bearish QM will happen around end of the downtrend. Price is make a lower low, lower high. Okay, they make a lower low here, should be lower low, and then it lower high, and this is still lower low, and then they make a higher high, higher low, and continue higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It look like that. So if you were to look here, you need to wait for price to break of structure or chain of character over here. Okay, how to trade? Okay, we wait for price to pull to the level. Like I mean, like doesn't have, sometimes doesn't need to be exact level. It could be somewhere slightly here and then go up. Okay, create a left shoulder and then you buy from that level. Where you're going to put stop loss. Stop loss is like below, slightly below the the head or here. Okay, and then you can buy from that. Where is your TP? You at least you aim for 1-to-1 risk and reward. Okay, chain character, and the rule is price fail to make a lower high, lower low, and then price might make a chain of character, which is this one. Okay, what's about the bearish QM? Okay, you can see that price make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? And they break this previous low here to create a new low, which is chain of character. Okay, we wait for price to pull back at the level, which is here, could be FVG, Fibonacci level, which is 61.8 and 78.6. Okay, and all supply zone, and then we're gonna create a left right shoulder, and then we short from that level. Okay, and then you sell. The rule is saying price fail to make a high high and higher low, and price much make a chain of character, which is this one. Okay, and for example, bearish QM is here. So in over here, you can see that price make like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, and then they break this chain of character. I did not do this one because this is, to me, if they continue, they're gonna have like go up if they want to make a uptrend. But over here you can see that they break, like they break this chain of character. Some people they might just do up here, but to me, I wait for price to break here. You want to see that price like create like maybe M pattern. So you want to trade like M pattern over here. Usually here you got like we teach, like we learn to trade at the neckline here. So if you want to short over here, price pull, you short, you make a stop out, because price go to the QM level, which is 61.8 and 78.6 at this level, and then falling. You can see that, right? So let's look at the chart. For example, okay, I think I might delete. Let me try to find a QM. That would be, for example, just for example. Okay, I think I delete the QM that I was like looking, but we can find a QM in the lower time frame, which is maybe go to M15. Okay, maybe maybe not a good example, but not this one. Okay, maybe I go to go. Okay, okay, go, there is no, there is a QM. Maybe at, okay, let's just look like over here. Okay, for example, like the price is on like downtrend. Okay, then we want to find opportunity to like to short. Okay, so let me see. Maybe I look for, okay, I look for the H1. Okay, so in H1 you can see that price is make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then they break. Okay, because now in order for them to continue the uptrend, they should not break this previous low, right? The previous low is over here, which is the character. You can see the imbalance over here. So price break this low, right? They create a swing high, which is this. You can see that they create a swing high here. Swing high and swing low. Alright, so we pull Fibon from your left to your right. Okay, so our sell zone, okay, this is in H1, right? So in H1 you can just leave like 61.8 and 78.6, which is either the first entry you might leave first to 78.6 or somewhere around here, right? Because you will think that okay, this is your resistance level, your resistance level pullback is become your support, and we wait for price to pull back, right? And what you can see here, price go to your 78.6%, which is here. You can see that here the level. So price really take time to go up, and then you can see that they cannot go above this level, which is 78.6 here, right? And then from that falling. So that's why you can see that one price come to the level, you can see that there is a rejection over here. Okay, you can see that the rejection, you want to go to like either M15 or M30. Okay, you can see that the confirmation is at over here, right? Price make the rejection, which is here. Okay, from that H1 you need to hold a position because this is 78.6% fib level. Okay, these are one is of the example for the trade entry last week, which is this one. And then you can see the price come to our sell zone and then falling, which is I think in M5 or M15 you will see that there's a divergence as well. Okay, maybe I just delete one. Okay, in H1 in M5, like somewhere here they have a divergence, but in just for a short while, like from here to here. Okay, like here you have to see, but then price come falling around how many pip from that, like 60 pip, and then they're rising to create like like the M pattern, something like the M pattern over here, right? You can see that, and then falling. Okay, in the lower time frame, which is happened, which is at here is 78.6% fib level in H1 time frame, like over here. Okay, you can see that here, and then price falling, which is last Friday they fall like 400 pip, more than 400 pip from this level. Let me see. Yeah, almost 500 pip. Okay, and then it's falling, you can see that, and they create an imbalance as well. They create a fair value gap over here as well. Okay, any question? This is a bearish QM. What about bullish? Okay, let me find the bullish entry. Most of the time you need to go to the lower time frame to see if price is going to like break up structure or change of character. Okay, for example, let me find QM. Okay, maybe this could be this not very nice. I find another pair. Okay, for example, let me just look. Okay, maybe over here. Okay, let's just look here. Okay, I did not find the example, but here we know that price is on downtrend, right? In H4 price make a lower low, lower high. Okay, let me just observe at this level. Okay, we go to the M15. Either M15 we can see, either you can mark like price make a lower low, lower high. Either I might like identify this my chain of character over here. Let's just identify. and we will see whether price will come to the zone, which is to this level. Okay, below here, this is my left. I don't identify like this is my left, and this could be my head. I'm waiting for price to come to, you know, make a right shoulder. Let's just see whether price will come to kind of like this level, which is let's just see. Okay, I did not come. Oh, okay, now this is they not even come, so no, this is not QM. Anyway, let's just see. They not come to this level, they come to like this level. You can see the rejection, or the high is here. They come almost like, you know, hit 61.8. It's not a good example, but let's just see. I just want to see okay, this is not a good example already. Let's just move to find. Oh, okay. I think I find the example for the short. This is also another good example for the short entry over here. You can see the price make a higher low. They break this low, then you can short from that level. But this we already have the example for the bearish QM. I want to find the bullish. Sometimes you can even go lower to the M5, okay? Meaning that the QM or reversal pattern is they need to, you know, happen at the key level. Okay, maybe I might see over here. Okay, like for example in the M5, you know that price is make a, you know, lower low, lower high. You can see that, right? For example here, you look at market structure, you know that price on downtrend. Okay, and at this level, maybe I might just put like low here. I might think that they break, either you break here, which is they break this this, like, you know, this previous low here, previous high here. So it's either I highlight this one, okay, and my swing low I will just put from here to my swing high here. Okay, so I wait for price to come back to the zone here, which is this zone. What do we have within our 61.8 and 78.6? What do you have here? We also have FVG, right? This is our FVG as well. You zoom in to draw your FVG, which is your FVG is here and here, which is our fair value gap. We do have, like, you know, somewhere with 61.8 and 78.6, and price break this one. Okay, and then you wait for price, you know, to come to like to the zone, right? For example, price continue going, but you need to keep monitor this, and this is gonna be your left. Okay, and this your head, right? And this your, they create the right shoulder here, and then continue to rise from that level, which is here, to the fair value gap. And then you can say that, you can see that they're changing from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, what you can see, and continue to rise. It's very so what about if you go to lower time frame, higher time frame? So our entry is right here. Let's just mark like somewhere here. What's about maybe H1 is look like? You can see that This how it H1 look like. Okay, you can get, you know, here where your stop loss, definitely your stop loss below the wick of the head, which is somewhere here, right? This how it look like in H1, and over here in H1, when price, you know, break this like high here, they also have like bullish or the block here, or bullish OB here. It's somewhere fabric gap in a M5, right? And then you get an entry here, and then you can see price rising to here right now. Okay, for the GBP. Okay, these are entry. Okay, it's like, you know, they come to kind of this, you know, this is called supply zone here, right? You can say that, you can see that. That's why rejection. Price try to, like, you know, go above this but could not. Okay, this is another bullish QM. Any question? Another one, for example, maybe like over here, like another example here. Let's say we see that we want to find the entry. Okay, for example here, let me find the example. Oh, I'm doing good. Network view, please. What is it? Scary network view, please. What do you mean? I'm doing good. Okay, but I think I have slightly headache right now. Okay, this is like, you know, the example of the QM. We still have the QMC, which is told you. Okay, this is bullish QM. I already tell you. These are QMC or Quasimodo continuation, which is we will include the trend line, which is called tree drive. Okay, I think this one recently I saw at the UCAT. Okay, UDCG, which is over here. Here. Okay, how it look like? It will look like okay, in the picture it will look like that. Okay, which is here. Okay, you will see that actually you will get a D entry in this one. If you were to draw you know, at like, you know, the body or somewhere here, somewhere, but this is may not a good example, but I find that tree drive over here. Okay, how to trade this one? So basically, if you were to look here, right, first drive, you can see this is the first drive, this is second drive, and the third drive here, like, you know, price from here. Okay, higher high, make up new high here. You can see that somewhere like this level, continue, this how it look like, and then from here you chop from that level. You can say it look the same, which is this your high. Okay, because from here, okay, like from here you will get this entry. Why this entry you will get as well? Because they create a new you know, the chain of character here. You can see that you pull Fibonacci, you can see the price come to this 61.8%, this one, right? And then you short from that level. You short from this level. It's how many pip from that level? Or 49 pip. Let's just say 50 pip from this entry to this one. Okay, and then price continue through you know, break of structures. You can then, you know, chain of character. Then you still like make a lower high, right? Now, and then your this is your first drive, second drive, and the third drive here, which is, oh, I remove this one. Okay, they make a high, they make a low here, and they make a new high. For example, this is your low. Okay, and this is your high, right? And here they make a new low. You should add the low here, new high. This could be your higher low. and then you create the higher high, which is over here. Okay, this is your higher high, and then they create the higher low, higher high, and then this is a new lower low, another lower low here. And over here, of course, price already break this structure here, right? Because in order for them to continue, your price should come higher high, higher low, higher higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that, right? But they cannot make a higher high, they make a higher lower low. From here they make a lower low and lower high. Okay, they continue the downtrend, which is we will use the trend line, which is your third drive here. From here you have to zoom to see, which is over here. We will use Fibonacci retracement from your swing to swing high. You can see that price come to your 78.6 and reject. You can see that rejection over here in H1 time frame, right? What about if you will go to the M15? This is M15 look like, which is when price come here in M15, what you can see the M15. In M15 here you have supply zone here. Okay, I zoomed for you to see. This is your supply zone, you know, red, green and red, which is your supply zone here, somewhere around here. And we do have 78.6%. When price come, you know, M15 price go up here, rejection, pull back a little bit, and you know, go up again, and then they create a higher high or M pattern, which is they already tell you that they're going to, you know, form the M pattern, which is reversal pattern, right? Here M pattern, create a new high. We do have the trend line, which is 3 drive. You're gonna chart from this level, and then they continue to fall from this level. You can see that falling and continue to fall here. Okay, so if you were to wait for price to come to the, you know, the like, you know, M pattern on the neckline here, price could not come. Okay, they continue to fall from that level. Okay, because in the H4 time frame, we're gonna buy at short, right? Because price is make a lower high in H4 time frame. Okay, any question? Crypto, can you please analyze it for me? Yeah, after this I will do a crypto for you, definitely. Okay, this is how you trade QM. So basically QM is looks similar, not really similar, you know, basically it's the same like SMC or ICT. You need to wait for price to you know, break the either previous low or previous high, and then you find the entry by go either lower time frame M15 to get the entry. Okay, yeah, let's say if I go to BTC, let's say if I find any entry for the BTC, for example, let's see here, like from here, you know, in H4 price on, you know, uptrend, basically price on uptrend, right? Over here price on uptrend. If you were to, like, you know, look really, like, you know, the quick like market structures, either here or here, like, you know, the price on uptrend here, and then they break. Based on H4, you can see that price is already chain of character, which is the chain, like, you know, this one, right? Chain of character here. So like over here, when price, you know, break this one, break this low by this candle, okay, now they already create swing high and swing low here, right? Our kind of like entry even though you go to like H4 time frame, we wait to short at this level, and this level you can see that these are price break, which is breaker block or imbalance. Over here we will gonna wait for price to come to this level, and then we're gonna short. Okay, go to M15 to have a look, which is an M15 price go to this but haven't yet, right? Because you want to wait for price to come back to the zone, which is this how it look like in M15. Let's continue. They did not come to this QM because sometimes you may not get the entry. That's why you only trade based on QM price may not come to the zone. And over here, like they come to maybe only like kind of like overlap support, which is overlap resistance, like over here, like resistance pull back and then they continue. But let's just see will price come to this zone. No, it's not. If like that, I don't think price will come. Let's see. Okay, now price did not come to this zone, but over here you can see that price make a lower low, lower high, right? In over here, like over here. What we can see here, if I just want to see, I observe, okay, they cannot make a higher low, they break this one. Okay, for my entry, I just change, and then my entry, which is at this level, you can see that. Let's just look, right? Because if they continue to make a downtrend, lower low, lower high, the price could not break this swing high here. They create a new high, right? So we use Fibonacci, and this is our buy entry. Let's just see. And then you can see that price come to this level. Now they come to this zone, right? 78.6 and 61.8. This is our sell zone, this is our buy zone. You will get the entry at this level. You see price slowly come down, rejection, and then continue to rise to this level. Let's say if you have the entry over here and price come, let's just see, we short already. Let's say you short from that level. Now you see that price could not make a higher high. Now they make a higher high. Let's just observe in like here. They want to make higher high, still higher high, make a low, make a high here, and then continue to break. So to me, they kind of like changing. You want to just to look like that. They break already. So either I short here, I still hold, because I will see that they might come back to somewhere around 78.6 and 61.8 again. Let's see. Or they just continue to short because we already short from this level. Okay, we buy here TP and then we open a short position from this level. Let's just continue to see. This H1, now you can see that. Then eventually they fall, right? You can see that it's sideways in M15. Like even we break here, we continue. You can see that they kind of like sideways from here, and then after they break this, which is how is H4 look like. You can see that in H4 it really clearly that we still have the entry here. Price go up, and in H4 they create the equal high here. Then from that they fall. So this entry is already done, right? This is how its H4 look like. Lower low, lower high, you get the entry at this level, because in in H1 price break, pull back, and then continue. So now from this level you hold a short position. Price is sideways, where your stop loss just above this 78.6 or this week, and then after that price fall from this level. Okay, and then we just observe, and then price go up. So if you come to this level and then you don't close the position, price just go all the way, right? You can see that now is it now, and then you fall H4, right? From here, uptrend, they break this one, okay, they not pull back and then continue to go downtrend. So you see that if you just like, you know, trade like, look at market structures and then you observe, either you go to H4, H1, or you know, M15, you just wait for price to changing, you know, from uptrend to downtrend by just looking for market structure shift or chain of character, and then you just find the entry. Sometimes price may not go up to either like 78.6 or 61.8 or 78.6, but most of the time like 80% price will come to the zone, and then you know, get the entry from that level. Okay, but sometimes they might come to only 50% fifth level as well. But in this case, like, you know, I show for you to see, they come like 78.6 or 61.8, kind of that level. Okay, so any question? Okay, that's all about QM. Because you know, let's just look for BTC. For example, now I'm at BTC. Okay, now price on downtrend, so I observe that price already break this high, so I wait for price to come to this zone. I'm gonna buy this level, so wait for price to come, and then you buy for you know, buy from this level, like buy from this level. Okay, so now let's just, this is M15, so I'm wait for buy over here. Go to H4, I want to see at H4. So H4, okay, this is how it H4 look like. This is, they come to this level. Okay, in M15 we already see the price already make a high based on this one, because from that level you can see that no, low high, low high, make a new high. Okay, so now we wait for price to come to this level. You're gonna buy up, you're gonna make this kind of the pattern. Okay, because these are left, right, we wait for left head, we wait for the right shoulder to come back here, and then gonna buy from this level. Okay, which is over here. Zoom in to see, we do have like, you know, slightly have the FVG in M15, which is quite small, but somewhere here. Okay, like here we do have a FVG in M15, the wick and the wick. Okay, like here. Let's just go to, maybe you might get the entries in M5. Let's just look at M5. Okay, not yet. Yeah, we wait for price to come. So you trade BTC, your buy zone is here. Okay, your buy zone is here. Just wait for price to pull a little bit more. Gali, what pair is it? Gali, this one, huh? You should buy already. There's a divergence here. Okay, price action here. What pair did you request? Oh, weekly, just like that. What pair is it? Okay, you will just look at daily time frame, right? The market structure is not very nice, but I might think it's kind of like, you know, support level. Let me see. But I saw the divergence here. I saw price action here. But this is your resistance level in H4. That's why price is rejected from that level here. let's just go to M15. Let me look at M15. Not yet. You cannot buy based on this M15 because price still make a lower high. Okay, we can look at the chart. You need to wait for price to break. Like over here, if you want to scalp, right, here we have a bearish divergence versus the I side, which is like over here. Okay, like from here you can buy. You can buy since price, you know, pull back here, and you see the divergence like happen somewhere around here, and then you buy up, and they kind of like, you know, break this this high, like here. They seem like they create like here, like either up, go down, you know, go down here and you come up here, wait for price to pull back, and then gonna short from that level. They need to do something like that. So basically, technical analysis. Okay, we will wait for price to come to this zone, then you're gonna buy. You wait for price to fall a little bit more. Over here we have an imbalance. We have the bullet or the block over here as well, like here we have the bullish OB. Okay, within 67.8 and 68.6. Wait for price falling and then continue to rise. Okay, and then you buy from that level. Okay, wait to price to fall more. It's M30. Okay, any pair you need to look for you for this one. Let's just look at GBP. Okay, GBP finally they fall from this level. I short GBP like since here, never close, go up, go down again, so hopefully they can come down more. Okay, so look at our GBP. I still buy at sell for GBP. Okay, because price still make a lower high here. In H4 it's very clearly that over here, okay, look at market structure here. Price make a lower high, right? You just look very clearly, you know, they break this high. Definitely our like entry it's at 78.6, which is around here, but price could not come to the entry. You mean not come to the zone? They come where? They only go to this level like there and then continue. So sometimes if you just wait here, you may not get the entry. Okay, so you need to see whether the QM is not working, any other strategy you can trade. So price come here, and you know, I think this one maybe or 50% fib level. You can they only come to 50% fib level and then rejected, and continue to go up trend. They make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and over here they make it seems like, you know, if they want to continue to uptrend, we already know that like, they want to continue to uptrend here, they could make a high like that, right? High low, but they break this like they break this high, so I could make a lower low, lower high. So I wait for price to come to the zone. This side it look like in HM5. Okay, in M5 here, like this time we already get an entry. Okay, sorry, M15 or M30. Now QM it may not work for this pair for the short entry, because I think I trade this one based on the support resistance, because I think I identify this one is the resistance level, like somewhere around here, which is I identified it by my first resistance somewhere around here, and is close with or like up with somewhere 61.8 and 78.6. Go to H1, what we can see, In H1 I saw divergent as well. So now it's not, this one we trade not based on QM because there is no QM here. Okay, so there is no QM here, so I short here just for scalping. Now it's like rising already. Like over here we do have like, you know, supply zone here. Like here is my supply zone. We have 61.8, so this is my sales zone for GBP. I still hold my short entry. Okay, so where is the next? Let's say if I break above the resistance, or this my sales zone here, the next entry that would be, I will look around this level, which is my second resistance, which is that would be I think it's somewhere, my extension somewhere allow up there. Okay, so this is my entry. So if you want to, like, you know, to short the GBPUSD now, just manage your loss size. Okay, I target TP around this level. This could be my TP1, take profit. This could be my take profit, because price still on downtrend. They need to go somewhere here and like that continue, right? So if they break, if they want to change, if they break this first resistance, either they go like that, meaning that they break this high, and then they're going to continue like this. Okay, like this. They need to break this high, something like that. So pull back and continue to uptrend. So if they want to like go continue, so if they break this up, you know, high here, then they're going to make a new high. They're gonna be like, you know, change from down, you know, downtrend to uptrend in H4. Okay. Any question? So now QM, we already know that it's very quite you know, straightforward, but if you know how to look at market structure, it's very easy for you if you want to trade. Okay, so this is how it look like. Okay, 3 drive or QMC or Quasimodo or continuation buy, just includes the trend line. Okay, and then the third strike you will see, and then you will get another entry. Okay, any question or any pair before I end the webinars? Okay, so let me just do a trade setup for gold before I end. Okay, for gold, price is rising really strongly. Okay, let's just find the key level. I identify this my first resistance, which is somewhere 78.6% here. So it could be my first resistance. This H4 time frame. Okay, and this is a support level, which is price already come up. I mean, could not break below this the support level. Sorry, support level here, which is 23. Okay, the next level, this is my second level. But if you will trade here, we have the valid OB right over here. So you have to take note of this level as well, which is there within your extension here. So if price come to this one, you're gonna short from that level, because we do have extension 127 within the valid OB over here. Okay, so if price come, if you were to short somewhere around here, you can like, you know, 23.50 or 23.55, you can short from that level. Okay, the price already, you know, bounced from the support level here, and the second support is gonna be right here, which is my second support, my key. Okay, this is my key level. So come here, see the rejection in lower time frame, you short from that level. If not, price will go to bearish order block, which is we have the Fibonacci extension right here as well. Okay, Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. So again, QM just similar or one of SMC or ICT, just wait for price to break below and then you continue. Okay, alright guys, thank you so much for your time. Okay, take care, bye for now.